I'm at the spring, filling the water tote. So I'm gonna have the hose up there, and I'm gonna need to have that switch with me too, because I'm gonna be sitting up there waiting for it to fill, and when it's full, I can turn the pump off and not have a big overflow. Gonna make sure all my caps are tight. Some of my caps are mechanical. Now I have to inflate this full. Yeah, worst case scenario, like something bursts, like a test cap comes off. Everything seems fine, and I'm about halfway through my water, but I don't really know what fine looks like, and when it's too late, I'll know. This is making me so nervous. I do have a small leak. Just tighten that up as much as I can. Good leak here too. Oh boy. So this one, it's clear that it was just the cap that was leaking. I tightened it and it's good. And this one, I just talked to the AI and it said that I could put more glue around the joint. Try to finish the test. Don't forget that the worst always can happen. This thing popped off. That cap popped off. Okay, so I called someone in who actually knows what they're doing. Air pressure test now. Well, I can tell you this. I'm happy that I tried and failed and probably learned something, one or two things valuable, and then had to call for help rather than having just been too afraid or unwilling to try. Better. When you experience pain, it's like, if I only could go back and do it a different way, I would have put more care into that thing.